This is the Hampton Inn and Suites in Burlington, Washington. That's Washington State in the US. Just so you know, there's actually quite a few Burlingtons in the world. Some of them are in Canada and other places. Okay. So that's the fan, that's the light. Makes sense. You got a light thing here so you can find it late at night when you need to go to the washroom. We have got a couple plugs here. Some towels, a dish for soap, a couple of things of soap here. Now we've got soap and bath soap. Honestly, in my experience, they're kind of the same. I think maybe bath soap's a little thicker if you look at it like here. Yeah, okay, that's the difference. Hand soap's thinner. That makes some sense. Use it on less of your body. And we've got the standard Neutrogena things here, body lotion, shampoo, and conditioner. We've got the tissue, very nicely presented. I rather like that. And we've got a Sunbeam hair dryer with this kind of cool stand you get to put it in. That's a little different. Another plug over there. So certainly plenty of power. Of course, we're here in 2021 in December, so we still have sort of the Clean Stay Lysol partnership in place at Hilton Properties, keeping things clean and sanitized between guests. Got a nice mirror there, kind of nice frame on it. I kind of like that. And some hooks there to put towels or clothes. And I think that is the towel you normally use for getting just out of the bath there. And got a toilet, standard flush, garbage, toilet paper, extra toilet paper, and some towels there. Okay, and so here's the shower. Let's take a look at that shower head. That is pristine. That is, I mean, it doesn't look completely brand new because I think it's the slightest discoloration, but that's actually great. That is a fantastic shower head there. Lots of different settings available. A couple shelves for soap and shampoo. Standard operating controls there. So this is the bathtub. It's got a couple of handrails. I like having those. I like that extra security. And yeah, little stopper there, which is interesting because why is there a stopper there if this is a barn door? I guess there used to be a door that would like swing that way. That's kind of, yeah, I guess that's what that is. Okay, so we've got the barn door here. So that's that. And it's got a full length mirror on it. Got some hooks over here behind the barn door. Additional bedding. We've got some hangers, the ironing board, and a luggage rack. There's also this thing over here where you can also put your luggage if you're careful about it. It's interesting. There's some slight discoloration on the walls here in a few places. Nothing too serious. I think if anything, it actually in the video appears to be higher contrast, more noticeable than it is in real life. Staring at it with my eyes, it looks like a slight shadow at worst. So that's not too bad. I thought I turned all the lights on. So let's add some illumination to the situation here. And one thing that's really nice about Hilton properties, including the Hampton Inns, is the layouts are generally pretty standard. You get some basic different things, like there's the thermostat there. I'm just going to turn that off for now to have slightly better audio quality here. Got a couple of plugs there. But as you can see, here's just a quick look at the room. Pretty standard fare for a Hampton Inn, but that is a good thing because they have a lot of great stuff. Look at all the power connections we've got here. We've got a couple of USBs and 2 standard plugs, 4 standard plugs over there. We're not really probably going to need our Trond Nano cruise compliant power extender on this trip. We got a microwave, coffee accoutrement, and we've got some drawers there. I think I see probably a Gideon placed Bible in there. And we've got a Danby fridge. Pretty standard size for a hotel, sort of that mini half-size fridge, which is really often all you need. TV's not particularly large, but it's a Samsung, so you know it's relatively high-end brand. Got the sort of remote control here. They've got Direct TV, and there we've got the ice bucket and some disposable cups. I like places that have glasses, but you know, a paper cup will do in a pinch. And so we've got a notepad here and more power, 2 more USBs, 2 plugs, and 2 more plugs over here. Some information about the Clean Stay thing, just because of sort of COVID protocols and what have you. We've got a light over here with an additional plug. I love Hamptons because they can power all of my devices easily. Got a nice chair over here and another plug. And another light. There we go. Got a little bit of art there that I kind of like, sort of a minimalist thing. And we've got this sort of screen here. Presumably there's a blackout curtain as well. I certainly hope, because... So this goes up. Oh, and then I'm going to guess the blackout curtain is on the other side. So, yeah, okay, there's the blackout curtain, which we can kind of raise or lower as we see fit. I think this window actually opens. So there's sort of the view there. Not a whole lot to see. There's kind of some city there and some parking, but that's fine. It's kind of where you are. We're in Burlington. It's not like you're going to be seeing Mount Rushmore out a window in Burlington. So, if you found this video useful at all, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see other travel videos that will show you how to save money when you travel, let you know before you go, travel smarter and a little bit different so that maybe you can travel a little more often. And also got a little art there, and of course there was a mirror over by that desk. So this was fairly reasonably priced. It was about $109 US, and so that converts into Canadian after the taxes and everything to around $150. So let me know in the comments, would you stay here? Have you stayed here? What did you think? Do you think this is worth it? Is this a good price for you? Let us know, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.